Like, subscribe, and hit the bell to see more of ERD's repairs. This is a custom spindle drive by Fuji Electric and was sent in to us by a tool and mold manufacturing company. Despite the ES series of units being very common in machine shops, they're obsolete and can be very expensive to replace when broken. The unit shown came in dead after its capacitors had begun to leak, so we gave it a full rebuild. We didn't have the motor this unit was specifically created to run, but we could simulate that motor with our own linear load, and it worked like a charm. ERD has almost 3 decades of experience repairing drives for the machining industry, and has the technical know-how to test units even when their motors aren't on hand. So, if your spindle drive is out of commission, call us today for your quote.